If you hear someone say that they don't subscribe to politics or they don't believe in division, what you might actually be hearing is avoidance masked as spiritual enlightenment. It's that same energy as toxic positivity. We're skipping straight to love and light without first walking through the shadow. But here's the truth. Unity only comes after reckoning. Unity is the result of the work, not the excuse to avoid it. When people say, I don't do politics or I only do high vibe, they are either intentionally or not opting out of the work and leaving other people to hold the weight of that work alone. That's not neutrality. That is complicity dressed up as spiritual enlightenment.